Millipol India 2025 kicked off in New Delhi, uniting global security leaders. The inaugural ceremony was attended by several dignitaries, including François-Noël Buffet, the Minister of Delegate to the Minister of the Interior of France, and Nityanand Rai, Minister of State for Home Affairs, Government of India. At the event, Shyam VNL unveiled next-generation solutions for security forces, showcasing a strong commitment to national security. Their cutting-edge counter-drone systems, from handheld jammers to wearable tech for soldiers, drew major attention. DD India's Tapas Bhattacharya reports.
Well, drone warfare is currently the buzzword when it comes to international relations. In fact, we saw that in Russia-Ukraine war that drone played a pivotal role for both sides. In fact, so I am right now in Yashobhumi, where Shyam VNL is doing currently research on the anti-drone warfare. I have with me Sunil Joshi, who is engineering it. So, could you just explain it to me exactly how this anti-drone warfare things work and how you guys are playing a pivotal role in providing India that cutting-edge technology?
Yes. So after seeing various challenges, various problems at the border, in the inland area, in the homeland security, we studied the entire system and we saw what is available and what is required for the specific for the Indian terrain, because India is a big country and entire system is divided into 16 type of terrains. So we have developed the system for all these type of terrain by actually visiting the places. So first we designed the drone detection system. It is a complete passive system. It detects the drone first, then it transmits the signal to the jammer. The jammer system jam specific to that jammer, specific to that direction, not a omni. And then we have very high power jammer. If, for example, in international border, drone is coming from 5 kilometers away, we immediately detect that and utilize the jammer by immediately using the pen tilt system, which has a very high power jammer, and the jammer has a multi-band capacity. And since we are the OEM, we have designed the system so we can customize the system as per the user requirement.
This anti-drone system is expected to be a major game changer once it comes into effect and defense forces start using them. With Mohit Joshi, this is Tapas Bhattacharya for DD India from Delhi.